Ball position, Pintuyan School. Pass to number 24.
Oh, siya rin din mo.
Basket not count. Number 5, 44. Okay, bola na ilog. Tagtad. Pass to number 24, Amongan to Tagtad. Amongan pa rin. Getera, wala. Bola na kuha ni Ramiso. Tagtad. Amongan, wala. Pellegrino, low pass to number 7, School. School, Isaac, wala. Number 24, Amongan to Sinya. Basket count. Number 24, pass to number 7, School. Pellegrino. 10 on the shot clock, Handaya. Number 7, School. 5 on the shot clock. Pellegrino, wala. Bola, Wiggins, number 24, and the first 3. First strong.
Eh, box, laguban!
Okay, single.
Bago ka muli mapit sa tanong disika.
8 minutes and 35, third quarter.
Ilan na hong taon.
Pisikan sila po!
Sinya! Nakawala sa kanyang bantay.
Ambon na. Iyay. Ambon na.
Number 7, School. Number 25. Okay. Where's the call? Yellow, number 22. Coming for Pintuyan. Hinayon in, out, number 23, Pellegrino. Baseline now, number 9, Hinayon, and assisted by number 5, Ramiso, number 25. Another lays up by Sinya. Grabe ang combination shot, oy. Here comes the School. Pass to Hanlan, number 24, wala. Pero there's a goal according to our referee. It's number 24. Free throws awarded to number 24. Orang tira Bosca. Amongan 3 personal fouls. Irwang tira, sikat lang. Standby. Ikatulong tira. Basket sa kami for Sugod galing in. Out Amongan. Tabdan. Gali controlling pass to Tabali to number 8 Gali, ball out of bounds. School controlling. Guarded by Insignia. School pa rin ang may tangan. Pass to Adayan. 10 on the shot clock. School. Number 13. Number 24. Kaison. Good for 2. 7 minutes and 13. Tagtad. Escorado 40 against 49, 10 on the shot clock. Exactly 7 minutes for the third quarter. Number 22, Tapale. Good for 2. Dyson, pass to School to Handayan, wala. Bola nakuha ni Kabalin, lumpas to Sinya, iwata na kauban, Tagtad. Guarded by number 24, Handayan, Tagtad pa rin. 10 on the shot clock. Gali, short. Ramizo secures the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Ramizo, fly. Okay, good pass. From Ramizo to Gali.
Panitig ka.
Ball out of bounds
Blue, pagkadun.
from the players of Victorian ball positions. So good, goal hot. Sinya to Tagtad.
Dapat pagkakayan.
Mulahag, sige magkontraan.
Tagtad pa rin from the 3 points center line. Low for an opening pass to Tabali attempt. Wala. Out of bounds. Sa upcoming for Pituyan, Estrella N. Number 22, okay, number 22 warning. Taking foul. Okay, go for 2 by Gali. 3, okay, sorry, it's a 3 points. 3 points from Gali. Okay, miscommunication. Ball out of bounds. Stel Bula magpabilin. Sa upcoming for Pituyan, Hinayon out and Piligrino. Score na to, second size, 40. Handayan. Ate for 2, wala. There's a call. Okay, number 6.
Ilaw ba itong pasa ni Ramizo? Salipod mo na ito para balik check. Hindi maglaro na diyaw.
Mga guys,
Oh, lagi ah. Hindi ka ito makita yung score diri ah. Palihog lang ito.
Magali wa maka 5 points man sa gali. Hey, sige. Libre.
Ahora diri ah. Check na diri ah. Scoreboard na to diri ah sa atong score sheet diri ah. Basket. Okay, Tagtad. Para ni Dipas move si Tagtad. Number 7, School to Labadan. Labadan, and for 2, too strong. Gali, secures the ball. Gali, pass to Tagtad. Tagtad to Sinya. Ramizo. Ayan! Sayang yun. Okay, School to number 24, Handayan. Good for 2.
Labang ta.
Okay, Tagtad. Pass to Sinya. Gisundan ng Bula. Di na makita. Okay. Number 22. Offensive foul.
Sabre.
Sa upcoming, number 37 to Moon. Out. Number 22 and number 10.
Ano dito, pre?
Daan ni Gawaman eh. Gunit na gamay.
Hey, number 7 now, controlling of LGU Pentuya. Hey, there's a call.
Tumula. Gilod.
Number 37 to Moon. Hey, penalty.
Mon. Ito. Ay, katawan nyo. Katawa mo ito.
ito yung lipan right. Kumain to, design.
Okay, unang tira. Swerte, malasa. Karoon ang tira mga kaigsunan. Subay-subayag sa litrang B. Sa litrang B, buslot.
Penalty ito. Minimize.
Ato nang ilis sa kinig sa bot siya.
That's that pass to Gale. Gale to... Di na makita. Gagawin to. Ginamit ang katawan. Lisod lagi ni. Basta dako. Dako, taas, gahi.
Asa man din ni Corona?
Ano ni Jotanan? Dera, Handayan. Di mo sugutin sa Dayan. Labanan, guarded by Ramizo. Handayan, Getera, shoot. Rebound nakuha dito man. Pass tong Tatad. Si Tatad na karoon ang nagdala sa bola. Wala, sayang yun.
Ya, balik.
Okay, ball position. Sa upcoming for Pintuyan, Estrella out, and Quezon. Iskol. Wala. Gali, secures the ball. Nangita, Audos. Di ba rin si Gali, day? Risma mo din eh. Kung lagi rin mga player na magsige kumanuban, magkabaylo nagnaong madugay. Risma secures the ball. Ginamit ang katawan. Sa ilalim, wala. Pero may foul na nakita mula sa ating referee. Number 22. 24. Number 24. Ay, tubig!
Water.
Number 15, unang tira. Relax ha, sir, kaya no substitution in between. Okay, wala.
Gini ako nakantiti.
Handayan, number 24. Pass to Iskol. Iskol, nakita kapasahan, Pellegrino. Guarded by Gali. Pellegrino, pass to Quezon. Wala. Risma secures the ball. Pass to Tatad. Tatad nagmamadali. Tatad Getera, gipasa. Gali for 2. Score. Score na po. 63 o 43. Igualis. Ang tumoy.
Penalty.
Number 15, Black.
Elin Jobi Hakan. Nangitag sa'yo.
Sa upcoming. Okay, number 15, 3 personal fouls. Okay, unang tira, number 24, Handayan, basket in.
Ayo, pulis galing, isang puli eh.
1 minute and 57 seconds remaining. Third quarter, second through. Style, basket in, 2 out of 2.
Hapon ni hapon.
Mika lagi ni sila.
Number 11. Okay, there's a call. Number 7. Blue. Sa upcoming for Pintuyan, Olarte and out Gali.
Layup lights, Tres. Volta. Salida na. Kita mo lagi.
May panjus pa niya.
Sideline inbound. Tatad to Olarte. Pass to Risma. Number 37 to Moon. Tatad wala. Quezon a big rebound from Pintuyan. Pass to School. School to Pellegrino. To School 15 on the shot clock. Handayan. School. Pass to Surigao. Quezon. Okay, there's a call. Number 18.
Ibilap.
Mars, 2 throws.
Sab.
Hey.
Doon sa bird, patay yung foul bird.
Okay.
Hindi na, okay na.
Parol dari ang usap sa sunod ha. Parol dari kay okay. Walang tira ni Quezon, number 14.
Sana all.
Positive. Second through. Okay, 2 out of 2. Estornato, 63. 47. Tagkat. Okay, agawan sa bola. Resma, 15. Number 18, Olarte.
Kung ganun mo tanaw, kay tambak na.
Pellegrino, controlling. Back to number 9, Hinayon. Back to Pellegrino. 10 on the shot clock. Pellegrino, nice assist. Good for 2. Tatad, guarded by number 9, Hinayon. Tatad, nakawala, kitira. Ako na lang. Okay, 30 seconds remaining. Handayan, 10 on the shot clock. Hinayon. Wow.
Uli na.
10. Tatad controlling. 5. Okay, time is up and it's the end of the third quarter. Atong score 51-67.
Tambak. Tambak man.
Lagi way lami.
Okay, here comes Hinayon. Hinayon ang may tangan pass to Pellegrino. Okay, para. Okay. There's the goal.
Kuha na.
Number 5, push your foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Hinayon, 14 on the shot clock. Handayan for 3. 62 against 69. The lead is down to 7. Gale guarded by Quezon. Gale pa rin guarded by Abungan. Gale wala. Agawan sa bola. Rabiso. Ay namalitok na to. Tatad guarded by Hinayon. 8 seconds shot clock. Gale. Getera. Yes in the glass. Basket down by Tabali. 6 minutes and 24. Eh, artasa pa sa itong oras. Hinayon controlling 15 on the shot clock. Long for an opening. Attempt for 3. Hinayon, wala. Rebound secures for Sugod Provides. Gali. Gali, nagmamadali. Di pinagbuhan. Gali for 3. Okay. Escorado 62-74. Nailog na po. Rebound by Pellegrino. Pass to number 7 is good. Handayan. Ada for 3. Wala. Rabiso secures the ball. Pass to Tatad. Long pass to Tabali. Ball out of bounds by Tabali. Ball position Pintuyan. Is full. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino pass to number 24. Handayan, wala. Handayan pa rin ang nakapulot. Wala, pero may contact. According to our referee, it's number 5, Ramizo. 3 personal fouls, Ramizo. 3 team fouls, Sugod. Handayan, orang tira, in and out.
Hasta tanan. Oo.
Second through.
Papa mo tayo mga tumra. Dua pa.
Okay, Gali controlling. Guarded by Quezon. Gali pa rin ang may tangan. Libot-libot ang bola. Arang ninduta. 4 minutes and 47. This is the last quarter of action. It's called pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Getera, wala. Okay, Diara. Aha. Okay, there's a call. Number 5. Arms. 2 throws awarded. Ramizo. Warning, your 4 personal foul. Nakita ka pasahan. Here comes Handayan. Wala. Bola. Nakuha. Tagtag. Gipasahan ito balik. Kabalik itira. Wala. Pero may foul. May foul. According to our referee, it's number 7. Arms to throws awarded to Tabali. Okay, to throws. Una ang tira, mga kaigsunan. Atong pagkasaksihan, subay-subaya sa litrang B. Bundok.
Nice one.
Kadang tira. Mga kaibigan, gitira. 75. 79. Okay, then on the shot clock. Gali, guarded by Handayan. Gali pa rin ang kabala. Wala. Surigao secures the ball. Here comes Handayan. Handayan to number 7 is more reversely up. Good for 2. Nindot eh. Ay, para. Gali. I-control ang bola. Tatat guarded by number 7 is goal up. There's a call. Number 7 score. Number 7 warning, you have 4 personal fouls. 3 team fouls for Pintuyan. Gali. 10 on the shot clock. 5. Intercept. Quezon. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino lays out. Okay, there's a call. Okay, technical foul charge to the coach from the bench of Pintuyan.
Nakadua ko si Peter ang tao dito gabi. Nakaangon. May foul. Si Peter ito tumali dito sa
Okay, technical throw awarded to Sugod by number 11, Tadtad. Technical throw is basket. Sound naman, nadi mga timaminaw lagi, musalipod mga Diyos sa scoreboard. Okay, Ramizo recovers. Tagtag guarded by School. Tagtag pa rin ang may tangan. 5 on the shot clock. Tapan for 3. Clock. 10 on the shot clock.
Wala na. Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay, Quezon secures the ball.
Chris.
Andayan, malakas. 25, wala. Okay, it's a traveling call. 13 seconds remaining. 13 seconds.
Grabe lang. Hinay mo si Bato. Pasutin mo.
Okay, lagdungag tawag.
Hindi, maganda si Bato dito. Kasi mo kasi Wasaiting yung muna.
Lagdungag tawag ang foul o ang travel. Okay, there's a call. Number 8. Okay, number 8, Jolly. Good job.
Ibi, nagkigay. Dara na rapat na
Good.
Shot, gali, shot!
Okay, 10 seconds remaining. 5. Okay, basket count. Basket count. Okay, congratulations, Sugod Bulhags and Pintuyan.
Daog ang sugod. Building pinto yan, guys. Building so good, guys. Ay, daog ang sugod. Building pinto yan. Kaduhaan.